Hi there and welcome to this video on how can a college dropout start earning money online. Now today we're going to be talking about a topic that some people out there are afraid of talking about, and that's dropping out of college. And I'm here to tell you that it's really not the end of the world. Nobody knows your circumstance or what may be going on, but I'm here to tell you that there is hope out there, and that's why I actually made this video to show you that there are some really good options. In fact, I'm going to talk to you about 5 options that you can use to get started with earning some money online if you are a college dropout. So let's dive right into it. So before we talk about the options, let's talk a bit more about why dropping out is not the end of the world. Let's face it, let's get real, right? In this day and age, the economy, it is changing. And if you look at it, college degrees, they don't offer you or they guarantee you that success anymore like in those days. If you look at the student debt crisis, that's another story altogether. And also with regards to jobs, they are not paying that well. Now, I don't know in your particular country, but I've spoken to many graduates in my country in different fields, and some of them are actually struggling to find jobs. I don't know how it is in your country, but please feel free to mention it below in this video. So this is why dropping out is not really the end of the world, and it's always a good option to look at different things. Very good example is popular names like Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, and Elon Musk. You've seen these guys, they never finished college and yet they have become amazingly successful in what they're doing. And my main point, what I'm trying to tell you is that you don't need a degree to be successful, but what you do need is you do need the right skills and you do need the right mindset to become successful online. And that's why this video, I'm going to show you the sort of skills that you need for these different options, and you can see which one it is that you are most suited to and give that a shot. And by the way, this video is also for people who are studying at the moment. So even if you are currently studying in college and you're not thinking of dropping out, you can use these options as well. Okay, let's get started. So the first one is option 1, and that's all about freelancing. Freelancing is simply where you're going to be offering like service-based work online. This can be anything from writing to coding to designing, and there's so many different platforms out there that you can sign up to, like Upwork, Fiverr, and this allows you to connect with your clients on a worldwide scale. And once you start developing a reputation with these clients, you can actually build a substantial income by getting a regular service-based jobs coming your way. So here's one such platform. It's called freelancer.com. Hire the best freelancers for any job online. And I just want to show you something here, is that many clients come to a place like this when they want to hire freelancers, and look at the different types of fields that they are looking for: graphic designers, website designers, mobile app designers, software developers. So if you have any of these skills on the side, then you can offer these skills and register them on this website. And once you get hired for a gig, then it's just about doing more and more of it on these sites. Another one is called, of course, Fiverr. And then there's one more, which is Upwork. In fact, there's so many other freelance websites. But the point is that you're just offering service-based skills, and if anybody is interested in hiring your services, you charge them a fee. So the next option is a print-on-demand business. Now, with a print-on-demand business, essentially what you're doing is you are going to be selling custom t-shirts, mugs, or anything without really stocking them in your business. And the cool part about this is there is a lot of places where you can get started with this sort of business. There's a lot of e-commerce sites that can help you get started with it and doing the customization for your t-shirt or any of that sort of thing. So let's check that out. Right, so let me show you just a couple of these. The one was Teespring, simple solution for creating and selling products that engage your fans, helps you to monetize your content, no cost, no hassle. Want to create and sell your products? Just get started on Spring. start creating. So that one there is teespring.com. Then another one is Redbubble, and with Redbubble you can sell your art. And I just want to show you here there's talk more where you can upload your designs to their products in the shop. Customers will find your artwork on their website, and then products are produced in, and then they ship to the customer, and customers get an awesome product and you get paid, and you can start selling on Redbubble. And the next one is Printify. Now Printify is 100% free to use, 1,000+ products, global delivery, and you can get started for free. And this is where you can select your product, choose from over 1,000 top quality products or brands you know and love, and then you add your design, and then you simply start selling. So obviously in a case like this you might need a social media following, or if you want to you can do paid advertising just to get people to come and see your product. But if it's in one of these sites here, and if it's commonly sold or a lot of people are liking it, and then you can just make sales from one of the most popular lines being there. Alright, so the next option is option 3. That's all about selling digital products. Now if you look at the previous option, it's all physical products that you're going to be selling. So one disadvantage of selling a physical products, of course, is profit margins. You can't sell for a t-shirt or a mug or any of that sort of thing for any price you want to, because there's so many other people that's selling the similar products, and you gotta sell market related products. Now when it comes to selling digital products, you're gonna earn a much more higher profit margins. And the reason why is because there's no production storage, there's no shipping costs that are involved, and once it's created, these sort of digital products, they can be sold repeatedly without additional expenses. And an example would be like an ebook or an online course. Now I just want to say, why else should you sell digital products? Why should you look at it as an option? Well, first of all, like I said, because it's going to be online, people will get an instant delivery of their product. They can access the ebook or the online course immediately after they've paid you for it. You can reach anybody anywhere in the world who has an internet connection and low overhead costs. So that is your option. Alright, now we come to my favorite option, which is of course affiliate marketing. Now affiliate marketing is simply where you promote products that you believe in. You don't necessarily have to own these products. In fact, most of the time affiliate marketers do successful affiliate marketing without even having their own product. You are simply the middle person. You bring the buyer and the seller together, and for every successful transaction that takes place, you earn a commission. So you are an affiliate partner. So you're earning commissions by promoting other people's products. You don't need to create your own product. You can recruit anyone. You don't have to do any recruiting. There's low startup cost. It's highly scalable, and you can earn a passive income just by simply recommending quality products. Now, you might be asking yourself, so how does online affiliate marketing work? Well, first, before I show you online affiliate marketing, I just want to talk to you about it in the offline space. Let's just say you watched a movie or you read a really good book and you recommended this movie to a friend, or this book to a friend, and they went to go and buy this book or they watched this movie. Then you were actually an affiliate for the bookstore or for the movie house. You brought business in for them and they made a sale as a result of your recommendations. That is now offline affiliate marketing. That's exactly what you done. But it would have been really cool if you got paid for it, right? Now, in the online world, you do get paid for it, and you might be asking how, and I'm going to show you now. Right, so what you are looking right here at now is my website. It's called dealwithtinnitus.com. Now, if you don't know what tinnitus is, it's simply when people have that annoying ringing noise in the ear. Now, this is what I suffered from many years back, and as a result, I could not do my profession in my health profession. And that's when I turned to the online world and I started doing online affiliate marketing. As a result, that prompted me to start a website. So I basically started with SEO affiliate marketing, which simply means I do blogs, and this is my blog. and this is where I do reviews on various things that are related to hearing health, whether it's hearing aids, whether it's sound therapy system, or maybe it's earplugs. The point is, this is how I do online affiliate marketing. So if somebody comes to this article and they find this review is helpful on certain things that can help with their tinnitus, then all they simply have to do is they just click on this image, or I have a button somewhere in this article after I've delivered some hopefully helpful information, and then they just go ahead to Amazon and buy it. And that's how online affiliate marketing works. You don't necessarily have to do it blogging. You can also do social media. And on that very same website, I have a Pinterest account. And as you can see, I have various pins talking about all of these items where people can see my pins in social media, and then they go ahead, they see my pins, they find it helpful, and they buy the product if they find the review helpful. So that's how affiliate marketing works. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the options that you can consider if you are a college dropout and you are looking at earning some money online. These are the options that if you focus on them, and if you really be consistent in any one of these, I am confident that you can get there. But tell me, from the freelancing to the digital marketing, affiliate marketing, print on demand business, which is the one that really calls out to you? I would like to hear from you, and feel free to leave your comments below this video. As you might have guessed, for me it has been affiliate marketing. You can actually read my story. There is a link below this video where I talk about how it has helped me and how it can help anybody to get started with their online business. That is my number one recommendation, so feel free to check that out in the video description below. And I hope that this video has helped you out. I want to take this moment to wish you everything of the best in your success. Remember something, it's not a bad spot where you are at. It might feel like, you know what, a lot of people are saying this, a lot of people are saying that, but you can overcome it, and I wish you everything of the best. And I'm looking forward to checking out in my next video, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel so we can chat in my next video. Good luck and goodbye.